Hi friend, in this tutorial how to design a letter. First of all, go to background picture, select this picture and drag and drop, and then go to typing tools and click the horizontal typing tools and type a letter O and click the right option and right click, go to blending option, click the inner shadow and click the OK and go to this picture and drag and drop and increase the size and go to select option and select the subject option and select this picture and make a duplicate picture, Ctrl+J, make duplicate picture and second picture, go to and click the clipping mark and go to erasing tool and erase this picture and click the duplicate picture and make the clipping mark. Click the background picture and create a clipping mark and right click, go to blending option and click OK and click the typing tools vertical